Tiniyak naman ng National Bureau of Investigation o NBI ang pagtalima sa sabina ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Kaugnay ito ng pagsusumite ng hard days ng whistleblower na si Ben Hurluy. Yan ang balitang tinutukan ng aming kasamang si Noel Perfecto.
Susunod sa kagustuhan ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee si NBI Director Virgilio Mendez na isumiti nito ang mga nilalaman ng hard disk drive ni Ben Hurluy sa darating na Miyerkules. Ito ay matapos na matanggap nito ang subpoena duces tecum na ipinadala ng Senado para sumipot at dalhin ng mga mahalagang nilalaman ng mga pangalan ng personalidad na sangkot sa BDAF scam.
But definitely we will obey and comply with the subpoena issued to us by the Senate. We have to talk with USEC JJ of DOJ and certainly we will comply with this. Initially, this contains yung mga transactions that are being inputted and saved in the hard drive.
Including some lists of names of personalities?
Not necessarily list, not list,
operations.
but the names probably of the other personalities that have been mentioned in these transactions. So this might add controversy or more color in this investigation.
Sa kasalukuyan, ayon kay Mendez, ang naturang material o hard disk drive ni Ben Hurluy ay nasa pangangalaga ng Special Task Force at Cybercrime Divisions ng NBI at ginagawan pa ito ng masusing investigasyon sang-ayon sa pinatutupad na malalimang pagsisiyasat sa mga nilalaman nito. Agad rin lang isusumite ang naturang mga records kay Secretary Laila de Lima upang makakuha rin ng kanyang kopya na siya rin isusumite sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee.
First and foremost, I already contacted the team that handles the investigation.
Yes, sir.
This is the STF under Assistant Director Argabioso, and also with our Chief of the Cybercrimes Division, because I was informed that they're the ones tasked about this hard drive that was submitted to the Bureau. Now, I have not talked to them, so probably by
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako naman si Noel Perfect.